Okay, so this is the gold opening range setup, and you can see here that I've marked out item number 1 there, which is the first 15 minutes of the opening range of the Asia session, so from 3 a.m. to 3:15 a.m., the low and the high and the midpoint. Then the second thing you want to do is check the 5 and the 15-minute charts. And okay, so there's the 5-minute chart. You can see that it's in a bullish area, and the EMA is angled upward, indicating bullish momentum. And then the 15-minute zone, same thing, bullish momentum in that range. So that covers 1, 2, and 3. And then let's see, then you want to be looking for breakouts and retests of this range, as well as pullbacks and retests of the trend lines and liquidity zones, and then look for confluences from the HMA and the, let's see, so from the stochastics, from the cumulative volume delta, or a volume spike or a wick rejection, and also from the HMA curving. So we can see that here. I've actually marked out a bunch of areas here that are of interest on this chart. So you can see here's our opening range, and again, bullish momentum. So we break out, come back and retest, pull out, retest, and then here we have confluence. We have the 89 EMA, we have a large wick rejection, we have 2 volume spikes, and also confluence with the stochastics changing direction, coming out of the overbought area. So right there is a good bullish momentum trade. You can see that the HMA changed directions there. And then up again here, we have, again, a volume spike. We have wick rejection and changing direction within the HMA, changing direction within stochastics, and a good bearish trade right there. Same thing again here. This is what's called a first touch bounce off of the 89 EMA. Always a good trade. Actually, this was the first one, second one here. So again, change direction and go. Volume spike, change direction and go. And then finally broke through the 89 EMA. So we might be losing the bullish momentum here. And you can see that it does keep pulling back and trying to break that 89 EMA and failing. Eventually, however, it does break through and take off bearish. So that is the London opening range gold futures trade. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments.